Hello, Sudhiji. How are you? Good evening.
Good evening.
Good,
Good evening. I am also good, sir. What
good
about
late
you?
evening. Sir, I am hale and hearty, and I am doing super good. Thank you. Thank you very
Yes,
much.
your background is very nice. Yesterday, I think so. Today you have just changed.
Ah, I have not changed anything today. I'm logging in from the mobile. Yes, I'm sitting in a place in a different room. All that is, but I decided to do this call, uh, trying it on mobile.
Okay, good, good.
Yeah, because sometimes, there is a lot of power outage which is happening in my locality, and there
Okay,
are frequent power outages. As a result of which, I thought I should be well versed with the mobile application also, so that I don't face any challenges. Right? I should be prepared for everything.
right.
So today being a Sunday, it must have been a relaxed day for you, Sudhiji.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Uh, Not relaxed, but I can say it is non-productivity day for me.
You mean to say it has not been a very productive day? It has not been a very productive day. Okay.
Yeah.
And why are you saying that? Why do you want to make Sundays productive? it, it, it is a day off for you. You should relax, chill, enjoy, isn't it?
No, I think so. For relaxation, there was no any need to any particular day.
Yeah, that's correct. I
Uh,
really appreciate what you're saying. Yeah.
because I am not just recall the book name, but in my when I was young, I just read. I have read one sentence regarding of
I have read or I had read, sir.
I had.
I had read, not read, because now you're saying past tense. Although the spelling is read, but the past tense of read is red, as in the color red. I mean, it is pronounced as red. Okay.
Okay, right.
I told you, remember, English is a very fascinatingly weird language. Even though the spelling remains the same, but in simple past, it is, yeah. So you had read a book. That's what you're saying? You had read
I
a
have
book.
read one sentence, but I couldn't. I means
I'm not able to recall.
no, no. I am able to recall, but I am not able to elaborate in English language.
Okay,
That's
so
the challenge.
what is what so if you can tell me in simple words, I'll help you to elaborate, sir. That is what I can do. I can at least
Sure,
try to help.
sure. Thank you. I in books there was mention for tiredness means tired I can फिर थकान right. आपको काम करने से उतनी थकान नहीं आएगी जितना खाली बैठने से थकान आएगी. काम करने से तो आपको जो है आनंद प्राप्त होगा. वर्क करने से आपको आनंद प्राप्त होगा. सेटिस्फैक्शन.
You will never feel tired when you work. On the contrary, if you sit idle, you will feel more tired.
Yes, yes, right. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Most welcome, sir. Always my pleasure. Rather, you would enjoy more when you work more.
Yes, of
Even the,
course.
even the last sentence which you said, I am adding it actually. Rather, you would enjoy more if you work, when you work more. Right, sir?
Yeah, of course, absolutely right. There was no any doubt.
Thank you very much. You remember the last time our discussion was around mm, lovely discussion, and then you had promised me something. I don't know whether you still remember. I'll make you remember. How do you, and you had said that I'll tell you this answer next time if time permits. I had told you this. I'll repeat the question one more time. That, is there any place, Sudhirji, to look for penny stocks? You said no, not really. But then I also had asked you, but then time didn't permit us. I said, then how would a common man know that which are the penny stocks which are doing well? You said you watch YouTube videos. Sir, how will somebody go and find YouTube videos about this? Then he has to work. Can you help me and all your viewers who watches you? Because I know you will be going to put this on YouTube, isn't it, sir?
Yes, of course. Today I got my laptop. So just recently I have posted. I
Celebration.
have just I
Very
have
good. Very
posted
good.
2 videos,
Oh,
which
really?
was my backlog. Backlog.
You've already posted it or you've sent it to Clapingo for approval?
No, no, I have already posted. I take the permission prior.
I have taken the approval already, you can say that.
Yes, I have taken the approval already.
So you have become a famous YouTuber now. So why aren't you working very consciously towards it? You're just posting and leaving it. So you should engage with your viewers right now, I think. Like
Uh,
I was telling you, Sridhar, like I don't know. It's not just the videos that you post on Clappingo. I mean, whichever form of video content, because see, even if you have one video, two video, now you have posted. So I'll give you an example because these are the only videos which you have posted. So I'll give you an example. Just a thought as a good friend.
okay,
It's always good to engage in conversations. I mean,
okay.
but I don't know people if there are any comments. Did you get any
Yeah,
comments?
yes, of course. There was lots of the comments about you and me also.
Oh, really?
Really.
Okay, so I don't know. So then did you reply to them?
Yes, of course. I
Very good.
acknowledge them, their appreciation.
Very good. Very good. That's what I'm saying. Now, that is the way you try to engage people. And since why did you do it? You wanted to help people if they could enjoy. There are many people, I'm not sure, Sudhirji, there are many people who might have taken, I mean, learners who might have taken a decision.
Yes,
You might have got an inspiration that you don't have to be extremely well informed about English language to come and join at Clapingo. All the tutors are amazing,
yes, of course. There was no any doubt.
and and all the tutors are so friendly. They're pleasant to talk to, right? So that means you're generating that encouragement for them,
Okay.
which you are already doing it. So maybe you can ask them what sort of content they would like to see more. I mean, I'm just giving you ideas. So when your channel earns money, so give me a share of it.
Sure, sure, sure. I have one another channel also for stock
Oh,
market.
oh, I never knew this. Please tell me the name. I'll write it
Uh,
down. Do
Love
you
you,
educate?
India.
Do you educate people?
No, no, I'm just making this video for me, for me. Whenever I have the time, so I just upload it. The channel name is Love You India. Love You India.
I have written it down, Sudhiji.
If I
What?
found something interesting, or if any company has published their quarterly result, so I will go and download the PDF and just inform my viewers.
What I'm trying to tell you is that could you please highlight about that point, Sudhiji? Will it be possible,
Which points?
sir? I mean, how do we ascertain penny stocks, right? That's I mean, there has to be some resource, right? Is it
Yes,
okay for you to?
of course, there is some research, but first we need to understand what is the exactly wrong going on in that particular company. Penny stock means the stock price will maybe it will under falling at least 10 rupees under, right? If you take example of Vodafone idea,
Vodafone.
Yes, if you take just an example for Vodafone and Idea, so you
Uh-huh.
remember last 4 to 5 years ago back, the stock price will 100 rupees, was 100 rupees, and
Okay.
now the current price at least 5, 10, 15 rupees in trajectory. So what was goes wrong in particular stock? So we have to think about that perspective also. The 100 rupees stock before 16 or 15, and now today is 10 to 15 rupees. So there was
Sorry, sir.
any.
Sudhirji, sorry.
Yes, yes, sir.
What was goes wrong with the stock? I thought I'll by the time the session will end and I'll forget. So you perhaps wanted to say what, so we have to find out what went wrong with these stocks,
Okay, what went wrong this stock
with these stocks, with these,
with,
because you are
with this stock?
talking about these.
Sure.
THEST, with
Okay,
these
sure,
stocks.
sir.
Sorry, sir.
So no,
Continue.
it's okay. So we need to identify, because rather than just checking the price, it is in one digit or digit, we just go and blindly invest. So definitely we will not create the money in long term or not create a wealth for us also. If a company give the bounce back, we need to ask from for ourselves also. The Vodafone
Mhm.
idea is ask. I will give another example for Reliance Communication,
Mhm.
Arcom.
Okay.
The Arcom Anil Ambani company, right? Anil Ambani.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
What was going? What went wrong? This stock. What went goes wrong in
What
this stock?
what went wrong with this stock?
Okay. What went
Wrong
wrong
with this stock.
with this stocks? So we can understand second, the third one is Suzlon Energy.
Okay. Okay.
All the companies, they are have the lot of the burden in their shoulder, as the burden
Mhm.
name is debt. The debt, the debt is very critical situation in our industry.
Sudhirji, sorry.
Yes, yes,
This is a very common error. I must stop you here. DEBT. It's not debt. It is debt. B will be silent, sir. One more time. Debt.
debt, debt. Okay, okay. Sorry,
Okay,
sorry.
but be careful. Don't say death, huh?
Debt.
Yeah,
Okay,
because I
we can't say debt. Okay,
will never say debt. It is debt.
okay, debt.
Yeah, debt.
Okay, so
You have been pronouncing this for so many years, huh? Debt, 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 debt. Yeah, yeah.
so no one give me this type of correction.
No one corrected
So
me actually.
no one corrected me. So you can just imagine how many times I have using this word.
How many times I might have used this word? Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. So
Most nice.
we need to understand the company which was running last to 10 to 20 years or 30 years might be, but they are not clearing their debt. They are not able to clear their debt. So rather than we can think about another stock who has the future plan. I will just give one another example for TTML, Tata Tele Maharashtra Services Limited. You know Tata TTML.
Yes, sir. I've heard about it. Yeah.
Last 4 to 5 years ago, I bought the stock at least 15 rupees, and I don't took any patience, because I'm mean short term investor that time, because I think so I have started the journey my 11 or 12, so I have just hardly 3 to 4 years only, so I just wait and sold the stock. Okay, and the stock goes price down at least in last year, last, or you can just check it in Google, last 18 months ago, the stock prices will fall under one digit. Okay, But then after suddenly the market and news and the propaganda, I'm not using the word of propaganda, but we don't have the good balance it. But the news is behind the Tata Group are investing in their uh, e-commerce journey. They are trying to create. So the stock price will goes rocket. The 6 to 7 rupees stock will turn around in 200, 250.
Okay. 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 Okay.
So there was lots of the investment journey. First of all, we need to understand the fundamental. If we can't research, so we need to just follow the chart pattern. Chart
Okay.
pattern is very easy for common investor. They just check the chart is going on means in uptrending mode, or the chart is downtrending mode. If uptrending mode, so we just invest that. And when the stock is turn around means down trajectory. So on the spot we can sort out our stock, because penny stock is totally high and totally risk. We can't take the risk because we don't know about the, because I can say in 100 penny stock, the success ratio hardly 1 or 2%.
Okay.
Or are the speculator are, they are just invested and they are just pumping and dumping. So as a retail investor, we need to cautious about that types of, we are, everyone want to create the money in very fast mode. That's why they are choosing the penny stock also. I am also searching the lots of the penny stock, but I couldn't find out. Okay.
Okay.
But luckily, by luckily chance, in last year, I got the Gita Renewable Energy only for 50 stocks, not more than that. And my 1,000 invested is turned in 10,000 rupees.
10 times.
But
10x.
10x. 10x, I got the 10x return, but I don't have the courage to buy at 20, 30, 40, 50 rupees.